Aduh lali aku. Lah tidur 1,5 jam kok rasanya kayak 15 menit saking enaknya. Oke, now we talk about anak kalimat. Namanya adjective clause. Kalau ada istilah adjective clause, pasti itu intinya adalah anak kalimat dan dia tidak bisa berdiri sendiri. Itu diterangkan di dia. Adjective clause adalah dependent. Oh, gantung jadi. Jadi gantung dan dia memodify itu menerangkan kata benda. Fungsinya menggambarkan, mengidentifikasikan, memberikan informasi tambahan. Nah, jadi kita sekarang bicara yang ketiga ini. Gantung ke kata benda. Nah, ini contoh ya. Pertama. Kalimat pertama ini induk kalimat. Dua-duanya induk kalimat. Nah, I thank the woman. The woman diganti she helped me. Nah, kalau mau memakai rumus ini, maka dia berubah menjadi I thank the woman who helped me. She-nya hilang menjadi who helped me. Ternyata kalau orang bisa pakai who, bisa pakai that, sama aja. But mostly gampangnya pakai who aja dah. Kita bicara orang. Nanti bingung sama benda kalau that. Saya ulangin lagi. Ada dua kalimat yang independen atau kalimat mandiri, induk kalimat. I thank the woman, she helped me. Mau tak gabung jadi adjective clause biar kalimatnya lebih ringkes. I thank the woman who helped me. Oke. Ini kalau human. Kalau non-human, kamu lihat diawali dengan the, artikel namanya. Maka cara memadu-madankannya nggak boleh kayak di atas, maka terpotong. The book langsung ke bawah, which is on the table, atau that is on the table, is mine. Nah, jadi cara memangkasnya begitu, lain dengan tadi. Tadi jujur aja, I thank the woman who helped me. Kalau nomor 2 enggak. Kalau ada artikel maka terputus dulu. The book yang mana? Which is on the table. Sekarang kamu lihat, setelah who atau which pasti kata kerja. Ya. Sesuai dengan judulnya. Adjective clause yang digunakan untuk menerangkan subjek. Digunakan sebagai subjek. Ini cirinya. Setelah who atau setelah which pasti kata kerja. Is itu kata kerja, nak. Is, MR itu kata kerja. Karena on the table bukan kata kerja dibantu dengan to be. Kalau help jelas kata kerja. Who helped me? Which is on the table. Nah, dua ini aja sebenarnya. Contohnya. Satu human, satu non-human digabung menjadi adjective clause. Langsung ke exercise 1. 1 sampai 8. 2 sampai 8. 1 sama ya. I saw the man who closed the door. Pakai who aja. Kalau orang. Langsung aja nomor 2 sampai 8 langsung dijawab tapi diberikan dulu enggak apa-apa.
Oh, jadi aku langsung jawab gitu.
Iya, langsung.
Yang mana? Aku nggak kelihatan.
Nggak kelihatan enggak? Exercise 1 nomor 2 sampai 8.
Oke. The girl is happy. She won the race. I saw the man, he closed the door. I saw the man that closed.
aja
The
pakai
girl is happy she won the race.
Kalau depannya the langsung terputus, nah langsung lari ke kalimat kedua. The girl yang memenangkan race itu is happy.
Who won the race is happy.
Iya, gitu. Jadi kalau ada the terputus ya, nak ya. Dah, benar.
Okay.
Nomor 3.
The student is from China. He sits next to me. The student who sits the student that sits next to me is
Pakai
from
who aja.
China. What?
Pakai who, nak.
The student who sits who sits next to me is from China.
Betul.
The student are from the students are from China. They sit in the front row. The student in the front row are from China.
Seat-nya jangan hilang.
Hmm? Oh.
Seat-nya jangan hilang. Ulangin lagi. The girl.
The students who sits in the front row are from China.
Benar. Jadi ingat kalau ada the terputus langsung lari ke kalimat berikutnya. Benar. Next.
We are studying sentences. They contain adjectives clause.
Jadi
We are studying we are studying adjective clause that are in sentences.
benar.
Benar.
Benar. Lanjut.
Okay. I am using a sentence. It contains an adjective clause. I am using an adjective clause inside a sentence.
Dan memang memasukkan sesuatu sebentar, Nak. Sebentar. Enggak kok. Wes kok. Tak masuk nang kulkas. Anakku. Ulangi lagi yang terakhir, Nak. Maaf.
I am using a sentence. It contains an adjective. I am using
Menjadi?
an adjective inside a sentence.
Betul.
Okay.
I am using a sentence which contains. Benar.
Okay. Algebra problems contain letters. They stand for unknown numbers. Algebra problems have letters that stand for unknown numbers.
Betul. Iya, benar. Terakhir nomor 8, hati-hati ada the. Ada the-nya. Jadi lari ke kalimat kedua, jangan lali.
The taxi driver was friendly. He took me to the airport. The taxi driver who took me to the airport was friendly.
Iya. Mem ingatkan lagi setelah who atau which pasti diikuti kata kerja. Itu pasti. The girl who won the race is happy. Tuh, won itu verb. The student who sits next to me is from China. Sit itu kata kerja. The student who sit in the front row are from China. Sit juga kata kerja. Ini penting, nanti akan ada bedanya dengan yang bawah soalnya. We are studying sentences which contain adjective clause. Contain kata kerja. I'm using a sentence which contains an adjective clause. Contain juga kata kerja. Dan yang lain-lainnya. Itu kalau sebagai subjek. Which mean yang. Gitu aja ngomongnya. Which mean yang, the girl yang menangkan race is happy. Ya, oke. Sekarang sebagai objek, tadi di atas sebagai subjek, ini sebagai objek. Contoh, itu objek, Nak. The man was Mr. John. I saw him. No. Him kan objek. Menerangkan Mr. Jones. Maka kalau menggabungkan, ya sama pakai whom aja kalau orang, kalau benda pakai which. Sama juga caranya modul kalimatnya. The itu selesaikan terputus. The man whom I saw. Loh. Jadi setelah whom itu bukan lagi kata kerja tapi sentence. The man whom I saw ke atas was Mr. Jones. Cukup whom aja. Nanti kalau hilang B sama aja malah bingung. Jadi whom aja. The man whom I saw was Mr. Jones. Sekarang benda. Sama juga. The movie which we saw. It-nya hilang otomatis. Him-nya juga hilang. The movie which we saw last night wasn't very good. Nah, Sama dengan dua kalimat kayak atas, tapi yang di atas sebagai subjek, yang di bawah sebagai objek. Cara memangkasnya pun sama, cuman bedanya setelah whom atau which kalau sebagai objek, dia diikuti sentence. Whom I saw, which we saw, itu sentence, ada subjek, ada verb. Indonesia nih yang juga. Laki-laki yang kita temui loh. Kita temui itu kan sentence. Film yang kita lihat kemarin loh. Sentence ya. Latihannya sedikit di bawahnya, di belakangnya. 1 sampai 5, silakan.
Nggak kelihatan. Oh ini.
Ya, butuh waktu kok memang. Kadang-kadang gitu.
Oke, yang 1 sampai 5. Dikerjain kayak yang tadi di atas tah.
Ya sama,
The
ya nggak
book
apa-apa,
was
pelan-pelan
good.
aja.
I read it. The book I read was good. I like the woman. I met her at the party last night. I like
Ya,
the woman that I
humnya
met
aja.
at the party last night.
Nomor 1 ulangi lagi. The book, sorry, the book.
The book I read was book. The book I read
Bacanya
was
red,
good.
itu verb 2 nak.
Hmm?
Bacanya red, itu verb 2.
Oh ya, the book
Bacanya
I read was good.
Ya. Betul.
I like the woman I met her at a party last night. I like the woman that I met last night at the party last night. I like the composition you wrote. I like the composition you wrote.
Iya. Jadi kayak hilang ya, you wrote aja. Loh bener kok nak. Kalau aslinya kan I like the composition which you wrote, kan bisa hilang. Dan kamu kelihatannya lebih senang menghilangkan. Nggak masalah, yang penting bener.
The people
4
were
terputus.
very nice.
Dan the people.
We visited them yesterday. The people we visited yesterday were very nice.
Betul.
The
Terakhir.
man is standing over there. And brought him to the party. The man and brought to the party is standing over there.
Yes, betul. The man and brought to the party, or the man whom and brought to the party, kenapa? Is standing over there. Bener sip. Nah, sekarang yang sebagai objek itu dikasih preposisi. Sama aja. Misalnya, she is the woman I told you about her. Oh no, about-nya. About ini preposition. Maka nggak boleh hilang. Jadi she is the woman whom I told you about. Cuma ketambahan itu aja. Kayak nomor 2, the music was good, we listen to. Nah, listen pasangannya to. Nah, sama aja dengan yang baru saja kamu kerjakan, cuma ini ketambahan preposition. Sama aja. Monggo silakan nomor exercise 3, nomor 2 sampai 10.
Nomor berapa sampai 10?
2 sampai 10.
Okay. The man was very kind. I talked to him yesterday. The man I talked to yesterday was very kind.
Iya, benar.
I must thank the people I got a present from them. I must thank the people who got me a present from. Huh?
Nah, Kak, belum tepat.
I must thank the people I got a present from them.
Iya, temnya hilang. Nah, udah bener kok. I must thank the people whom I got a present from. Ya.
The picture was beautiful. she was looking at it. The picture she was looking at was beautiful.
Betul.
The man is standing over there. I was telling you about him. The man I was telling you about is standing over there.
Benar.
I ran into a woman. I had gone to elementary school with her. I ran to a woman I had gone to
Into
elementary school with.
I ran into. Ulangin bacanya kurang jelas. Ran into itu artinya bertemu secara kebetulan soalnya.
I
I
ran
ran
into
into.
a woman I had gone to elementary school with.
Betul. Ya, benar.
The topic was interesting. Omar talked about it. The topic Omar talked about was interesting.
Yes, pinter, sip.
The people were friendly. I spoke to them. The people I spoke to were friendly.
Were nak, bukan was.
Were.
Ulangin lagi bacanya nomor
The
8.
people I spoke to were friendly.
Ya.
Olga wrote on a topic she knew nothing about it. Olga wrote a topic she knew nothing about.
Iya. 10.
The can yang paling bawah apa
The
tadi?
candidate. The candidate biasa. The candidate.
The candidate didn't win the selection. I vote for her. The candidate I vote for didn't win the election.
Iya. Iya, benar. Sip. Sebagai objek sudah. Yang ada preposisi sudah. Yang sebagai subjek sudah. Sekarang terakhir. Sekarang yang kepunyaan. Nah, ini. Saya tak lihatnya dulu yang mana. Sebagai kepunyaan. Oh, kak ono. Aja di buku anyar. Oh, nggak ada. Buku lama ada. Bentar, nak. Oh, ini ternyata jauh letaknya. Nih, sekarang sebagai kepunyaan. Kalimat kedua mengandung kepunyaan. I know the man. Sepedanya was stolen. Maka kamu pakai whose. I know the man whose bicycle. Jadi setelah whose diikuti apa? Kata benda. Kalau who tadi diikuti kata kerja. Kalau whom diikuti sentence. Kalau whose diikuti kata benda. I know the man yang sepedanya kecurian. Okay. The student read well, dipotong. The student whose composition I read well. Indonesia nih persis sama kok. Anak-anak yang komposisinya saya baca itu loh, tulisannya bagus. Sama. Aku mengenal laki-laki yang sepedanya kecurian. Loh. Jadi kalau benda, orang, benda semuanya pakai whose. Mr. Cat has a painting yang value-nya tak terhingga. Jadi pakai whose kalau mengandung kepunyaan di kalimat kedua. His bicycle, her composition, its value itu kepunyaan. Possession tuh. Whose digunakan untuk menunjukkan possession. Seperti his, her, its, their, your. Whose langsung berdekatan dengan kata benda. His bicycle jadi whose bicycle. Her composition jadi whose composition. Nah, ini yang terakhir. Exercise 10 nomor 2 sampai 10.
Exercise 10 nomor 2 sampai 10. Yang mana?
Itu halamannya halaman berapa ini?
Ini tulisannya
Iya
exercise
lagi,
9.
275.
Ini barusan.
Iya, iya. Kita gerakin dikit dia langsung itu kok.
Hmm. I apologize to the woman. I spilled her coffee. I apologize to the woman who I spilled her coffee.
Salah. Yang kopinya aku tumpahkan. Yang kopinya aku
I
tumpahkan.
apologize
Salah,
to
Mbak
the
saya.
woman who I spilled her coffee.
Salah. Whose kopi aku tumpahkan.
Whose coffee I spilled.
Iya.
I
Kalau
apologize
bahasa
to
Indonesia,
the
Nak.
woman whose coffee I spilled.
Iya, sip.
The man called the police. His wallet was stolen. The man whose wallet was stolen called the police.
Betul. Yang dompetnya kecurian memanggil polisi. Bener.
I met the woman. Her husband is the president of the corporation. I met the woman whose husband is president of the corporation.
Betul.
The professor is excellent. I'm taking her courses.
Terus?
The professor who I am taking her
Salah.
courses are excellent.
Yang kelasnya aku ambil. Salah, belum
The
benar.
professor's course that I am taking is excellent.
Betul. Whose course I am taking.
Yang nomor 6 agak panjang. Mr.
Iya.
North teaches a class for students. Their native language is not English. Mr. North, whose students native Mr. North class whose students native language is not English.
Saya belum tepat. Ulangin lagi. Salah.
Mr. North teaches students who native language is not English.
Who-nya yang jelas, Nak. Whose native language?
Whose
Biar tahu
native
bedanya
language
dengan who
is
dengan
not
who.
English.
Iya, benar. Tapi ulangin lagi, balik lagi, ulangin lagi.
Mr. North teaches students whose native language is not English.
Betul.
The people were nice. We visited their house. The people who we the people that we visited their house were nice.
The people yang rumahnya kita kunjungi itu sangat baik.
The people who we visited their house was very nice.
Salah.
The people whose house we visited were very nice.
Itu baru benar. Tetangga yang rumahnya kan gitu.
I live in a dormitory. Its residents come from many countries. I live in a dormitory whose residents come from many countries.
Betul.
I have to call the man. I accidentally picked up his umbrella meet after the I don't know. Ma'am, after the me what?
Saya harus nelpon laki-laki yang umbrellanya itu tertinggal setelah meeting. Jadi after the meeting terakhir, nak.
Oh, meeting. Nggak kelihatan tadi.
Oh, sorry. Kurang. Sorry.
I have to call the man whose umbrella was
Nanti
accidentally.
aja. Loh, yang payungnya aku ambil.
I have to call the
I have
man
to call the
whose
man
whose umbrella was accidentally picked up by me.
pick up. Gak usah pick up aja. I accidentally pick up. Lah apa mbok tambahi by me? Wong asline ra enek by me kok. I accidentally pick up itu
I
sudah by
have
me,
to
nak.
call the man whose umbrella I accidentally picked up.
After
the meeting.
Iya. Iku lah keterangan waktu ya, taruh belakang aja. I have to call the man whose umbrella I accidentally pick up after the meeting. 10.
The man poured a glass of water on his face. His beard caught on fire when he lit a cigarette. The man
Yang janggutnya terkena api ketika menyalakan rokok.
Whose beard was caught on fire after
When? After
when-
itu kok ndirano after.
the man who
Whose, nak? Bacanya whose, jelas
the
whose.
man whose beard caught on fire when he lit a cigarette poured a glass of water on his face.
Benar. Jadi kamu sekarang punya 3 rumus sebagai subjek, itu pakai who, diikuti kata kerja. Whom diikuti sentence, plus preposisi, nomor 3 tadi preposisi, dan yang terakhir 4, whose diikuti kata benda. Jadi cara ngapalkan gitu 4 ini. Nah, ini latihan terakhir. Campur, kamu harus tahu bedanya. Nah ini campur. Nih, ntar. Subjek, objek, pokoknya campur jadi satu. Oh Rene, oh di buku lama ada. Sebentar, nak. Oh, baru tahu aku di buku ini tidak ada. Nak. Iya, nggak ada. Oke. Nggak ada campurannya. Tadi kan latihannya satu-satu. Jelas enak, jelas memudahkan. Sebagai subjek pakai who, sebagai benda pakai, sebagai objek pakai whom, preposition pakai whom juga. Bentar, nak. Oh, nggak ada. Aku penasaran. Oh ya wes iki wes. Ini aja. 1 sampai 8 ini salah kabeh. Tak kasih contoh. Kurang opo, kurang whom, kurang whose, kurang which. In our village, there were many people who didn't have much money. Berarti kurang who. Kalimat ini kurang who, mem. Apalagi diikuti kata kerja, didn't have. Jadi pakai who. In our village, there were many people who didn't have much money. Jadi nomor 1 kurang who, belum didn't. Nomor 2, pikirkan dulu, ini agak susah.
Yang nomor 2.
Mm-mm.
I enjoyed the book that you told me to read. Read it, okay.
Itu ya jawabanmu ya?
Ya.
Ya, nggak usah pakai it, bener. I enjoy the book, which atau that you told me to read. Betul, 3.
I still remember the man who he caught me. Huh?
Iya, itu verbnya
Taught.
taught. Ulangin lagi.
Taught. Aku kira taught me to
Bukan.
play the
Violin.
when I was a boy.
Jadi jawabanmu piye?
I still remember the man who told. I still remember the man. I still remember the man who he taught.
Langsung kata kerja. Who?
Who taught me to
Iya.
play the violin when I was a boy.
Bener. I still remember the man who taught me. Kan setelah who kata kerja, ngapain ada he? Bener, 4.
Nomor 4 kan? I showed my father a picture of the car I am going to buy it as soon as I save enough money. I showed my father a picture of the car that I was saving to buy.
Enggak. Ini sebagai objek biasa ini. Sebagai objek biasa. That-nya kamu munculin nggak apa-apa, bener. Tapi setelah itu kalimatnya salah. That-nya kamu munculin, oke, bagus.
I showed my father the picture of the car that I'm saving to buy.
Iya, nggak usah pakai it. I show my father apa? A picture of the car which I'm going to buy as soon as I save enough money.
I showed
It-nya hilang, it-nya hilang.
I showed my father the car I am saving to buy.
Loh, I am going, mana sih saving? I am going to buy, it-nya hilang.
I am going to buy
As soon as.
I save enough money.
Iya. Iya, itu. 5.
The woman about who I was talking about suddenly walked into the room. I hope she didn't hear me. The woman who I was talking about suddenly walked into the room. I hope she didn't hear me.
Jadi jawabanmu apa tadi? Yang tengah-tengah tadi? I hope she didn't hear me udah oke. Kalimat pertama gimana? The woman?
The woman who I was talking about.
Who atau whom, nah? Oh, ini sebagai objek kok. Whom? Kan diikuti sentence.
The woman whom I was talking about suddenly walked into the room.
Mm-mm. 6.
I hope she didn't hear me.
6.
Okay. At most, all of the people appear on television were make up. Almost all of the people who appears who appear on television wear makeup.
Betul.
I don't like to spend time with people which loses their temper easily. I don't like spending as I don't like to spend
Loh,
I don't like
spend time.
to spend time with people who lose their temper easily.
Iya, hulus. Nggak usah pakai es. People juga orang pakai who, bener.
The boy drew pictures of people at an airport which was waiting for waiting
Waiting.
for their planes. The boy drew pictures of people who were waiting for their planes at the airport.
Loh, gak usah. Nggak ada dibolak-balik letaknya at the airport. Nggak ada. Nggak ada hubungannya. Bukan itu yang salah.
The boy drew a picture of people at an airport which was waiting for their planes.
Yang menunggu kan orang, nak. Masa pakai which? Yang menunggu itu orang, people. Jadi nggak boleh pakai which.
The boy drew pictures of people at an airport who was waiting for their planes.
Iya, iku maksudnya. Orang kok. Oke?
Okay.
Orang kan pakai who. Oke, itu tadi ketemu aku halamannya. Ini nomor sebelumnya. Nih, exercise 5. Ini kamu harus menentukan dia sebagai apa. Sebagai subjek, sebagai objek, atau preposition. Campur sekarang. Exercise 5. The scientist yang kita jumpai kemarin, the scientist whom we met yesterday is well known for her research. Oh, berarti contohnya ini sebagai objek. Whom diikuti sentence. Pikirkan dulu 1 sampai 9. Dia sebagai apa, baru kemudian kamu jawab.
1 sampai 9.
Ya, campur ini nak ya.
Mana?
Sebagai subjek ada, sebagai objek ada, sebagai kepunyaan ada.
Where I haven't seen it. Hah? Miss.
Bentar sih, cari halaman lupa aku. Kamu ingat halaman berapa tadi?
Tidak.
Saking akeh latihan sih ntar. Ah. Tuh iki butuh guru. Oh ini. Ini bener. Exercise 5. 1 sampai 9. Ya, betul. Yes.
Where?
Exercise 5 nomor 2.
Oke. Nggak kelihatan. Nggak kelihatan, ma'am.
Bisa gerak no piye?
Okay. The students missed their assignment.
Loh,
They
nomor 1 belum.
were ashamed.
Nomor 1.
Oh, nomor 1. She lectured on a topic I know very what's that? Nggak kebaca. She lectured on a topic I know very well about it.
Very little lah, kok very
Oh,
well sih.
very
Very little lah.
little. She lectured a
About
topic I know very little about.
nah, aboutnya kalau hilang ini preposisi. Ini yang preposisi, nanti kalau hilang. I know very little about.
The student missed the assignment. They were absent from the class. The student who were absent from the class missed their assignments.
Betul.
Yesterday I ran into an old friend. I hadn't seen him for years. Yesterday I ran to a friend who I hadn't seen for years.
Nggak mungkin kalau who, nggak mungkin kalau who. Oh, dia diikuti sentence kok. Nggak mungkin kalau who diikuti kata kerja.
Yesterday I ran into an old friend I hadn't seen for years.
Boleh. Tapi sebenarnya who tadi ganti whom kan nggak apa-apa. Yesterday I ran into an old friend whom I hadn't seen for years. Yang penting bukan who tapi whom. Atau kamu ya habis hilangkan tadi juga nggak apa-apa. It's okay. 4.
But the young women are all from Japan.
Women. Bacanya women.
The young women are all from Japan. We met them at the meeting last night. The woman we Fro- the women from the meeting last night were all from Japan.
Salah.
The woman who
Yang nak, yangnya kok mbok ilangno 2 kali iki kenapa toh? Asline yang ngono lho.
the young woman who we met in the meeting last night uh, were all from Japan.
Heeh.
I am reading a book. It was written by Jane Austen.
I'm reading a book.
I'm reading a book that was written by Jane Austen.
Iya, that boleh, which boleh.
Nomor lanjutnya. The man gave me a good advice. I spoke to him. The man I spoke to gave me a good advice.
Betul.
I returned the money I had borrowed it from my roommate. I returned
Heeh.
the money I borrowed from my roommate.
Heeh.
The dog maker itu apa?
Dog catcher.
The what?
Dog catcher.
The catcher. Caught the dog or dog catcher. It had
Heeh.
bitten my neighbor's daughter. The dog catcher caught the dog that had bitten my neighbor's daughter.
Betul. The dog catcher caught the dog which had bitten my neighbor's daughter. Betul.
I read about a man he keeps chickens in his apartment. I read about a man who keeps chickens in his apartment.
Ya, sudah. Saya istirahat sebentar. Istirahat sebentar, habis ini latihan yang terakhir. Materinya beda, tapi masih ada hubungannya. Tak minum dulu. Yes. Nah, sekarang yang sebagai subjek yang ada who tadi atau which yang diikuti kata kerja, kamu ingat, yang diikuti kata kerja itu bisa disingkat. Nah, disingkat bagaimana? Ini latihan terakhir, nggak ada lagi sudah. Paling pol, wis. Nih. Dana. Nah, disingkat. The girl who is sitting next to me is Maria. Tuh kata kerja who is sitting. Disingkat jadi the girl sitting next to me is Maria. Tuh gampang. Langsung veing. Contoh kedua, the boy who is playing the piano is Ben. The boy playing the piano is Ben. Hanya berlaku sebagai subjek. Hanya berlaku sebagai subjek. Objek enggak. Contoh berikutnya di bawah. The man who is talking to John is from Korea. The man talking to John is from Korea. Nah, lagi sekarang verb 3. Tadi kan verb ing, to be veing, sekarang to be verb 3. The idea which are presented. Itu artinya yang disajikan. Kalau yang atas yang membicarakan, yang bermain, yang duduk, beda. Satunya present continuous, sedang terjadi. Satunya to be verb 3. Kamu udah belajar kemarin kalimat pasif. The ideas which are presented in that book are good. Nah, direduksi ya hilang semua. The idea presented. Langsung verb 3. Itu verb 3 loh, nak. To be diikuti verb 3, presented. C sekarang. Kalau kata sifat. Anne is the woman who is responsible. Itu responsible kata sifat. Sama juga hilang. Anne is the woman responsible for the error. The books, sekarang keterangan tempat. The books that are on that shelf. On that shelf itu keterangan tempat. Sama juga hilang. The books on that shelf. Kalau dia verb 1. English has an alphabet which consists atau that consists of 26 letter. Maka jadi veing juga. English has an alphabet consisting. Nah, jadi hampir sama dengan A, B, C, D, A lagi. Tapi mereka kan sedang terjadi. Kalau ini fakta, verb 1. Kamu udah belajar simple present tense. Anyone who wants to come with us is welcome. Anyone wanting. Sama, jadi veing semua. Present continuous jadi veing, present tense jadi veing. Kalau yang B, to be verb 3 jadi verb 3. Karena dia kalimat pasif. Kalau C kata sifat gampang. D keterangan tempat juga gampang, ngilangin aja lah who is. Ya sebenarnya sama dengan B lah, menghilangkan which is, which are. Cuman present ini verb 3. G dan H namanya orang. George Washington, koma, namanya orang, jadi harus pakai koma. Who was the first president of the US, koma, was a wealthy colonist and general in the army. Sama, kata benda. George Washington, the first president of the United States. Sama, who was-nya hilang. Berarti yang kayak gitu itu seperti kata benda, G dan H. D, keterangan tempat. C, kata sifat. B, verb 3, itu menghilangkan which is, or which are, or which was, atau which were. Oke, sekarang yang terakhir. Yang terakhir, yang terakhir. 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 Yang t Paris. Which is the capital of France? Dia bilang, Paris, the capital of France, is an exciting city. I read a book by Mark Twain, who was a famous American author. I read a book by Mark Twain, a famous American author. Jadi diilangin reducing loh. Jadi di-reduce nak jadi VIing, verb 3, adjektif, noun sama keterangan tempat. Ada yang ditanyakan?
Tidak ada.
Ya, oke. Latihan terakhir. Nomor exercise 33 dulu, 2 sampai 8.
Dua sampai 8 nggak kelihatan.
Yes?
The people who are waiting for the bus in the rain are getting wet. The people who's getting wet are waiting for the bus.
Salah. Who are waiting, mas jadi waiting, mas jadi VIing.
The people who are waiting kan?
Lah iya, who are waiting jadi waiting, nak. Langsung hilangkan semuanya.
The people
Langsung jadi
waiting.
VIing.
The people are waiting for the bus getting wet or getting.
Hilang semua, nak. Who are hilang, which is hilang. Langsung VIing. Jangan ada yang ketinggalan begitu. Jadi, the people waiting. Contohnya tuh loh nomor 1. Who is coming jadi coming. Gak ono is-nya, is hilang.
The people who
Hilangin.
are waiting for the bus are getting wet.
Menjadi
Itu.
the people
Itu enggak sih?
salah, masih salah, belum sempurna. Salah masih kan? The people
who are waiting for the bus.
Menjadi apa? Who are waiting dihilangi jadi apa?
The people waiting for the bus is getting wet.
Kamu tuh kalau baca in the rain are getting wet, kalau mau coy iku netok kok ya salah to, nak. The people itu ya jelas are kok is. Ulangi lagi bacanya bener. The people waiting-nya udah bener.
The people waiting for the bus are getting wet.
Lo in the rain-nya kok mbok ilangi kenapa? In the rain. In the rain kok mbok ilangi kenapa?
The people who are waiting for the bus.
Loh, lah ilang meneh. Waiting aja are-nya ilang, nak.
The people waiting for the bus are getting wet in the rain.
Loh, in the rain are getting wet, kenapa kok mbok bolak-balik? Dari tadi nggak ada teori bolak-balik, nak.
The people waiting for the bus in the rain are getting wet.
Iya. Kok iso dibolak-balik are getting wet in the rain iki lho lapo ngono lho. 3.
I come from a city that is located in the southern part of the country.
Menjadi.
I came from a city that is located in the southern part of the country.
Lah mosok gak berubah rek teko asline rek. Dan di sing mbok reduksi nak.
I don't know.
That is located jadi apa?
I come from a city located on the.
Nah, kok iso bilang I don't know lo.
Aku
That is
pusing, sudah
located menjadi
capek.
located verb 3 itu nak. Verb 3. I come from a city located in the southern part of the country. Non Pat?
The children who nggak bisa baca.
Fakta jadi veing. Tadi fakta kita udah sepakat.
Terlalu kecil.
Fakta jadi veing. Oh, sorry.
The children who attend that school receive a good education.
Betul.
The children that attend The children attended that school receive good
Enggak.
education.
Fakta jadi veing nak. Fakta jadi veing.
Hah?
Attend kan verb 1 jadi veing.
The children attending that school receive good education.
Iya.
The scientists who are researching the causes of cancer are making progress.
Iya.
The scientists researching the cause of cancer are making progress.
Mm-mm.
The French, which sounds cars, is made of wood. Hah?
With surround jadi surrounding kan fakta verb 1.
The French which surrounds.
Loh jadi verb ing. The fan surrounding.
The French surrounding cars have its made of wood.
Ya. The fan surrounding our house is made of wood. 7.
They live in a house that was built in 1890. They live in a house built in 1890.
Betul.
We have an apartment which overlooks the park. We have an
Jadi?
apartment overlooking the park.
Yes, benar. PR-mu exercise 34 dan 35. 34 kayak tadi latihannya persis. Tapi 35 waliane yang sudah direduksi kamu kembalikan.
Aku agak sibuk.
Ya.
Aku agak sibuk.
Jadi dibalik. 33 dan 34 sama mereduksi, tapi exercise 35 dibalik. Paham?
Paham. Aku agak sibuk.
PR-mu untuk minggu depan. Minggu depan tanggal merah. Wis engko ae dipikir nek aku gak lunga ya. Nek aku gak lunga ya kita ketemu, nek aku lunga kok diganti hari ini. Ya wes gitu aja, makasih banyak kamu sudah overload. Makasih.